This week, 2 recipes for the price of 1. A croque monsieur, or as we like to call it, ham and cheese toasty. We've done an American one, and we've done what I think is a more standard UK version. Thin ham, wafer thin. Cheese, grated in this case. 2 slices of bread. I use thick toasty bread here. You can use whichever type of bread you like, I suppose. Margarine, as we call it, or olive oil spread, or some kind of bread. First, we're going to do the American style. First, butter, or in this case, a low-fat spread. Both slices of your bread. This is a thick sliced bread, but whatever you've got hanging around or you prefer will be fine. After all, that's the idea of these videos, whatever you've got hanging around. Turn the bread over so it's buttered side down. Put the ham slices on. Sprinkle over enough cheese to cover the ham, but not too much as we need it to melt and cook in the middle. Place a second slice of bread on top of the ham and cheese, buttered side up. Carefully put the sandwich into a medium heated frying pan, like so. Lightly fry on each side, turning as needed to make sure it doesn't burn and until the cheese is melted. Roughly about 2 to 3 minutes on each side in total. Make sure it's piping hot through that middle and well cooked. For a veggie version, leave out the ham obviously. For a vegan version, I'm not really that experienced. I've swapped the cheese for vegan cheese, I presume. I don't know, I'm not an expert. That's the first recipe done. Eat and enjoy. Now for the second recipe, what I think is the UK version. This actually uses a grill for grilled cheese. Take the 2 slices of bread and bung them in a toaster on a very low time setting, so only just toasted the bread. Once the bread is toasted, put a couple of slices of your wafer thin ham on top. Sprinkle on the cheese, like Nigella or whoever else you want sexually putting cheese on things. Preheat a grill to a medium heat. Put the 2 slices of toasty, cheesy, hammy goodness under the grill and grill until the cheese is melted, bubbling and gone brown. Make sure that it's well cooked all the way through. Bubbling. Bubbling, cheesy goodness. 2 types of grilled cheese and ham toasty things. Grilled cheese, ham and cheese toasty. Don't forget to subscribe and ding that notification bell so you know when we have new videos coming up. Check out our social media pages on Instagram and on Twitter. Leave a comment below. Let us know how we did with your 2 different variations of ham and cheese toasty. Did you like them? Did you not like them? Can you think of things better to do with them? Let us know in the discussion below. Catch you next time, gamers.